Too much.
Anything you want.
79.
Too much. Huh?
Is it gone?
Hey, now. There you go. Hey, now. Hey, now.
Oh.
Hey, now.
That's it.
19.
Come on. Oh. It's amazing.
19.
She keeps wondering what he sounds like in bed. He even talks like that when he says, "Can you get the ass back?" What the fuck?
Look.
I think we need a bigger room.
13.
He's trying to extend his body. It wasn't just the sound of the arms. I didn't think it happened that fast.
I need to return every time. I had to get that quick. I had to get that quick.
I didn't think it's possible, but you were doing it.
Throw it for me.
13, 14. Working on?
Close your eyes and try to pretend you're playing. And see if you can hold us for a second here. I'm showing you talking like that. I was fucking cool. I go on the other side and hit him with the baseball bat first.
13, 14. 13, 18.
Oh!
Ready? Alright.
It's not talk like that in bed, I promise.
Sure. We got a snort over here.
1917.
19, 17.
Oh, you got the corner on that one? On
17 points.
anything you want. That was 70 points.
Yeah. Oh, Mr. Pong.
Oh, get it.
Oh, got it. Man.
That's right, nigga.
Okay.
18.
Alright. Go. That's her. Get her. Okay. Oh, shit. Ooh. Oh, my God. Did it twice.
What'd you say?
Did it twice.
Oh, I thought you said you got it in twice.
Got it in the car.